Life is all about perception and communication. Our man perceive things happen to become his reality. Now your reality is at many times does not interact with somebody else's reality because of communication. So it is important for a man bring across his idea through communication. Now, sometimes a man wonder why certain things don't go his way because of his mentality. You have a low mentality because you have what is called bad mind. Now, bad mind is not really evil, but is bad thoughts coming out of a mind. Now, bad is relative. What is bad to me can be good to you. So without communication, we'll never be on the same page. Now hear this. If somebody have an idea, it is important that you communicate and then that idea becomes reality. So if you have an idea and you don't communicate that idea properly, we have confusion. Now, there is sophisticated confusion and there's also radical confusion. The worst confusion is sophisticated confusion. Well, because I am of a certain status or a certain class, it is as if whatever I say in a certain manner is already proper, even though it don't make sense. You hear that? So it is important that whatever you perceive, it is communicated. Communication doesn't mean talking. It is just getting an understanding. You hear that? So you move from understanding to overstanding. You hear that? So when you say a failure is, as a people, we learn our behavior based on our surroundings. You understand? And our surrounding is an expression of other bad things. Time to clear up all of them.